Look no further than the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.